7917 showing southbound on Curson.
Oh,
TC involved.
217 southbound Crenshaw, do you need an RA?
Hey! Clear the car!
Correction, Curson. 7817, need an RA?
Deputy Walker, I have the suspect running eastbound through the houses. South and Chris.
Hey, don't fucking move! Clear. Where'd he go? Get the fuck back here! He wants out.
We are searching for a suspect and are preparing to use a police dog. For your safety, please go inside your home or business and stay inside until we have completed our search. To the person or persons who are hiding from the police, make your location known to us immediately. Put down all weapons, come out with your hands raised, and follow directions. If you do not, a police dog will be used to find you. When the dog finds you, do not move or you may be bitten. You have 1 minute to surrender. Departamento de la Policía de Los Ángeles. Buscamos a un sospechoso y estamos preparados para enviarlo a la policía. Por su seguridad, entre a su casa o negocio, permanezca dentro hasta que nosotros hayamos concluido. A la persona o personas que se esconden de la policía, háganos saber dónde se encuentra inmediatamente. Coloquen todas sus armas en el piso, salgan con las manos arriba y sigan nuestras instrucciones. Si no lo hacen, usaremos a un perro policía para que lo encuentre. Cuando el perro lo haya encontrado, no se mueva, pues podría morderlo. Usted tiene 1 minuto para rendirse.
During the subsequent canine search, the dog located Jimenez as he emerged from the rear of the residence in the 1200 block of Maslin Avenue, resulting in a canine contact. During the canine contact, Jimenez wrestled with the canine, refused to surrender, and fled on foot once again.
Hold that way. 2 and 50, let me know when your position so I can start. Butts. Oh, over here. Hey, let go of my dog! Let go of him! Let go of him! Butts! Let go of him! Butts! Hey, let go! Butts! Butts! Let go of him! Butts! Hey, Leslito! Leslito! Stop grabbing him! Butts! 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 Let go! Let's go! Turn around! Go! He's over! Hey, hang tight. I'm with you, Dan. I'm with you. Hold on. Don't run! Do not run! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!
Turn around!
It's okay, put him down. Just put him down. I'm gonna cover him with a handcuff. On the ground! On the ground!
Get on the ground!
On the ground. Okay, he's going to holster. And you're gonna handcuff. On the ground! On the ground! You ready?
Bro,
Don't move. I'm not even ready to go crazy shit. Don't move. On the ground. There you go. All the way down.
Get on the ground.
All the way down.
Turn around! Turn around!
The Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics transported Jimenez to a local hospital where he was treated by medical staff for the injuries he sustained during the canine contact.